Jogging with our dog.
I'm so happy that you joined me and Max today. I have been jogging together in the afternoon for the past few months.
This is a great way to spend my day off. Dad, haha, Max looks so excited already.
Yes, he loves it. Jogging helps Max stay healthy.
And it helps us get good exercise too.
Exactly, my boy. Plus, we spend fun time together.
Oh no, look, Max is running so fast.
Oh my, he is faster than both of us.
Dad, I can't catch up. I feel like I'm chasing a rocket.
I knew it. Max thinks he is in a dog race.
Wait, Dad, I need to stop. My legs are burning.
Phew, I need to stop too. We look like two old turtles.
Maybe next time, Dad, we just walk slowly with Max.
Good idea, son. A family walk sounds perfect.
And Max will still be happy, right?
Of course, son. Any outdoor play makes him happy.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Jogging. Running slowly for exercise. Leash. A rope or strap for walking or running with a pet. Dog race. A sport where dogs run very fast. Your listening question is: why does the father say jogging with Max is good? Answer: because it helps the dog stay healthy, gives exercise to people, and brings family time together. Horse photo shoot.
Hey sis, come here. Let's take some nice photos with Rocky today.
Great idea, brother. We have had him for so long and we barely have any pet photos.
Yes, playing with a horse is not always about running.
Right? It can also be creating beautiful memories together. I mean, Rocky is such a gorgeous horse.
Oh no. Look, Rocky just turned his head away.
Haha, he doesn't want the camera. Come on, look at me, buddy.
Wait, let's try again. Smile, Rocky.
Oh my, now he is showing his tongue.
Ha ha ha. This is a really cute photo actually.
Let me see, oh my. He really does look natural here.
I would hang this on the wall at my office for sure.
Okay, one more try. If he makes a silly face again, we'll frame it.
Deal, sis. That will be the funniest photo on the wall.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Pet photo. A picture taken with a pet. Pet activity. Fun things you do with a pet, like playing or taking pictures. Memory. Something you remember and keep from the past. Your listening question is: what funny thing does the horse do in the photo? Answer: the horse shows his tongue. Cat yoga.
Wow, May, this is so nice. I did not know that yoga in the park feels so great.
Yes, Anne. I have been doing this for months. And do you know what is best? Having my cat here makes it more fun.
True. Yoga with pets helps us feel less lonely.
And it also reduces stress after a long week.
Plus, it makes exercise more enjoyable, not boring.
Exactly. Now I feel more motivated to practice.
Oh no, look at your cat. He is lying down in the middle of the mat.
Haha, he thinks this is his yoga spot.
Well, I guess we need a little break.
Well, so what's about the motivation we have just gained?
You know, it's not our fault. If a cute cat wants to lay down, who am I to say no?
Let's look at the vocabulary. Yoga mat. A soft mat you use to do yoga on. Motivation. The feeling that makes you want to do something. Stress relief. Ways to feel calm and less worried. Your listening question is: why do Anne and May say yoga with pets is good? Answer: because it reduces stress, makes them feel less lonely, and makes exercise fun. My fishing companion.
This weather is perfect for fishing today. And bring Max over here. We shall sit here and fish.
Yes, Grandpa. I need fresh air after sitting in the office all week.
That's right, dear. Max also needs some fresh air. I did not have time to take him for a walk these days.
Haha, no wonder he looks so excited to be free here. He has no patience at all.
Exactly. Exciting moments like this make our family bond stronger.
Oh no, Grandpa, look at Max. He just jumped into the water.
Oh my, that silly dog is chasing the fish.
Haha, he looks like he wants to be the fisherman, not us.
Wait, now we are all wet because of him.
Well, at least we got a funny memory today.
I'm glad you're having fun, dear. Sometimes the best catch is not the fish, but the laughter.
You're right, Grandpa. I feel a lot more relaxed now. Well, if only we bring towels first.
Good idea. Next time I will bring Max his life jacket as well.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Patience. The ability to wait without getting angry. Bond. A close connection between people or pets. Fisherman. A person who catches fish. Your listening question is: why does the grandfather say going out with the dog is good? Answer: because it gives the dog freedom and makes family bonds stronger. After work race.
Hey Robert, do you want to join me for a race with Bolt?
Race? Bolt, isn't Bolt your dog?
Exactly. I have been running after work with Bolt since last week. Let me tell you, the dogs always find the most interesting route.
I mean, why not? Count me in. I really need some exercises now.
Totally, it helps reduce all the office stress.
And it keeps us healthy too. Better than just sitting at desks all day.
Right, exercise with pets is good for both people and animals.
Plus, we always laugh a lot. That's another benefit.
Look at Bolt. He runs so fast, like real training for us.
Yeah, running with him feels like we have our own fitness coach.
Oh no, wait, he's leaving the finish line.
Oh, I get it. He just saw the hot dog truck.
Oh my, I can't believe it. He really left us for some hot dog.
What should I even do now? Should we head over there and buy some hot dogs for him?
Hey, get some for me too. I also want hot dogs.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Fitness. The state of being strong and healthy. Exercise. Activity that helps keep body and mind strong. Finish line. The end point of a race. Your listening question is: where does Bolt decide to finish the race? Answer: at the hot dog truck. What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons.